Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor and this is Russian from Natives. Today, we're gonna watch a TikToker named Yanchik. Right here on the screen, you have his username and react to his comedy skits on TikTok. I love his content. I watch it myself. Before this video, I watched a whole bunch of his old stuff as well, and it's a lot of fun for me. But we will learn Russian from them. Not just laugh at his jokes, but also learn Russian from him because he's a native. So let's watch the first clip that is the easiest with the least amount of words.
Привет, привет, одна здесь? Что? Я говорю, одна здесь? Да.
That's really it. It's very short, but let's break it down so you can understand what is being said and learn a few cool words from this one. So it starts out with just greetings.
Привет, привет.
Привет, привет. Hello, hello. Pretty simple. Then he asks, одна здесь. Одна here means by yourself or alone. I'm sure that you know один. Один means one, as in number, one, один. But it also can mean by yourself or alone. However, один is in masculine form, одна is in feminine form. So, of course, she's a girl, so he's asking her, are you alone here? Are you by yourself here? And then she doesn't understand, she asks,
Что?
She asks, что? You guys too, if you don't understand what somebody says, что? What? And then he says,
Я говорю,
Я говорю, I'm saying, are you alone here? Again, if somebody doesn't understand what you're saying and you want to repeat yourself, you say, Я говорю, and then continue with your sentence. And of course, at the end she
одна
says,
здесь? Да.
Da, I'm by myself over here, alone. Next clip is gonna be a bit longer, and it's gonna be a bit more conversational.
Давай прямо сейчас.
Нет, мой отец дома.
Расслабься, он ничего не услышит.
У него хороший слух.
Да успокойся. Поверь мне, я сделаю все тихо.
Хорошо. А у тебя есть презерватив?
Бля, нет.
So let's again break this down and highlight important words, maybe a bit later. So first,
Давай прямо сейчас.
давай прямо сейчас. Let's do it right now. She says,
Нет, мой отец дома.
Нет, мой отец дома. No, my dad is home.
Расслабься, он ничего не
Расслабься, он ничего не услышит. Relax. He won't hear anything.
услышит.
У него хороший слух.
He has good hearing, or he can hear pretty well.
Да успокойся. Поверь
Да успокойся, relax. Поверь мне, я сделаю все тихо. Trust me, I'll do everything quietly.
мне, я сделаю все тихо.
Хорошо.
Okay?
А у тебя есть презерватив?
Do you have condoms?
Бля, нет.
Damn or shit. No, I don't. And then the dad says, Сейчас принесу. I'll bring them right now. So, let's actually learn some important words here. Not just laugh at this, but learn important words.
Давай прямо сейчас.
Давай прямо сейчас. Let's do it right now. So, прямо сейчас here means right now. But listen to how he says it.
Давай прямо сейчас.
Прямо сейчас. So, прямо сейчас becomes прямо сейчас. It's a bit more conversational because прямо сейчас has 4 syllables and прямо сейчас has only 2. So we shorten the phrase by 2 syllables. Прямо сейчас. And then she says, нет, мой отец дома. This word отец, it means father. You might know the word papa, which means dad. But отец means father. 2 words to call dad. I guess in English too. Dad, father, same thing. And дома means at home. Located at home, location, okay? He says,
Нет, мой отец дома.
Расслабься.
да расслабься, он ничего не услышит. You might know да as yes, but here да means, oh, come on. Да расслабься, oh, come on, relax. It takes on a secret meaning of да. Да расслабься, oh, come on, relax. Да расслабься, он ничего не услышит, oh, relax, he won't hear anything. Then she says,
Он ничего не услышит.
У него хороший слух.
у него хороший слух. He has good hearing or good listening.
Да успокойся.
Again, да успокойся. Oh, come on. Calm down. Да успокойся.
Поверь мне, я сделаю все тихо.
Okay, let's go back a bit. Поверь мне, я сделаю все тихо. Trust me. Поверь мне, я сделаю все тихо. I will do everything quietly. Again, just word to word. Поверь мне, trust me, я сделаю все тихо. I will do everything quietly. And then she
Сделаю
says,
все тихо.
Хорошо.
Окей.
А у тебя есть презерватив?
and do you have condoms? А у тебя есть and do you have? and презервативы means condoms. Презервативы sounds very close to preservatives in English because I guess they preserve something. So презервативы is condoms in Russian.
Бля, нет.
Бля, нет is shit, no, or fuck, no. Бля is, right here, бля is shorter from блять. Again, we take away this last tip because we can just simply say бля, and no other word starts with бля in Russian, so бля, нет. And then the dad says this. I'll bring them right now. Сейчас means right now, and принесу means I will bring. So I'll bring right now. I'll bring them right now. That's number 2. And before we move on to the next clip, guys, I want to invite all of you guys to join our Be Fluent Camp with the first link in the description. It's our 8-week intensive course where you will take your Russian to the next level. We do these camps twice a year, and you can find the closest start date with the link in the description. It's our 8 weeks that we're gonna spend together learning grammar, vocabulary, listening, and speaking to get you guys to speak Russian better and to level up your Russian. If you're a beginner, get to intermediate. If you're intermediate, get to advanced. If you're advanced right now and you think that, oh, I'm good to go, get your Russian to the next level and get closer to fluency and understand these on the fly without me having to break it down for you, okay? Join us with the first link in the description. Week-to-week curriculum, pricing, and the start date is going to be all there. Now let's move on to this third one where it's a bit even more complicated, I think, because they're going to speak faster this time. So let's play it first.
Да почему ты дергаешься?
А почему ты не можешь найти работу?
У меня сейчас неустойчивое эмоциональное состояние, окей?
Вот именно поэтому я и дергаюсь.
Ну извини, я тут ничего не могу поделать.
Ничего не могу поделать. Да ты не можешь элементарно поднять свою жопу с этого дивана.
Да иди ты нахуй!
Okay, so of course we can skip this first part where his muscle is twitching, okay? So he starts with this.
Да почему ты дергаешься?
Да почему ты дергаешься? Oh, come on, why are you flinching? Or why are you twitching? Again, we have this da here, means the same exact thing. And as you can see, it's used a whole lot in the Russian conversation that you might have not learned before. And I'm sure that you know da as an answer yes, but this meaning is also common. And then the muscle answers like this.
Почему ты не можешь найти работу?
А почему ты не можешь найти работу? And why you cannot find a job? So why are you telling me why I'm flinching or twitching? I'm gonna tell you, and why can't you find a job? Like that. Make that make sense.
У меня сейчас
right now I have
неустойчивое эмоциональное состояние.
неустойчивое эмоциональное состояние, unstable emotional state. Then he says, okay, in Russian, just like in English, we say okay in the same exact way. Alright? Like that.
Вот именно поэтому я и дергаюсь.
Вот именно поэтому я и дергаюсь. And that is exactly why I'm twitching. Because of your unstable emotional state. Great phrase here. Вот именно поэтому. And that is exactly why. Вот, I guess, именно means exactly, and вот поэтому means and that is why. So, and that is exactly why I'm twitching. In your own sentences, describe something or describe the reasoning for something with вот именно поэтому. And that is exactly why. Okay?
Ну извини, я тут ничего не могу.
Ну извини, я тут ничего не могу поделать. Ну извини means, oh, sorry then, like that. Я тут ничего не могу поделать. Remove тут, and it's going to become a very common phrase. Я ничего не могу поделать means I can't do anything about it. Поделать means to do something about it or to fix the situation. Okay? So, я ничего не могу поделать, I can't do anything about it. Okay? Then the muscle response
Ничего не могу поделать.
just mocks him.
Да ты не можешь элементарно поднять свою жопу с этого дивана.
Okay, let's break that down. Да ты не можешь элементарно. Again, да. Well, or oh, come on, you cannot even simply. Ты не можешь, you can't, элементарно, simply.
Элементарно
Поднять свою жопу с этого дивана. To get your ass off this couch. Поднять means to raise. Свою жопу, your ass, с этого дивана off this couch. You cannot get your ass off this couch, and then the guy says...
жопу с этого дивана.
Да иди ты нахуй!
Да иди ты нахуй! Oh, come on, fuck off! Like that. Again, we have this dot with the same exact meaning. Иди ты нахуй means fuck off. Get off my ass. And then I guess his muscle cramps up completely. Like that, okay? And On to the very final one, which is going to be the most difficult. It's not a dialogue, it's a monologue. And it's a bit scary at the end. And the premise of this is mom comes in the room and you pretend to be asleep. Okay, let's play this.
Ян, сынок, ты спишь?
Я знаю, ты не спишь, пиздюк. Я вижу это по твоим дергающимся глазам. Тебе завтра вставать в школу. А ты до сих пор не спишь. Более того, ты так и не съел суп, который я тебе приготовила. И не сходил в душ. А теперь лежишь голодный, вонючий и напуганный, с полной уверенностью в том, что сможешь меня обмануть. Но я чувствую твой страх, как ты дрожишь. И в следующий раз, когда ты захочешь меня наебать, для начала хотя бы заблокируй телефон. Но я все равно заставлю тебя спать. Я заставлю тебя спать.
Спокойной ночи, сынок.
All right. So the first part, he says Jan Sinok. Jan is the name of the guy in real life and also, like, I guess his character name. Sinok, right here, it means son, or my son.
Ты спишь?
Ты спишь, are you asleep? Are you asleep? And then,
Я знаю, ты не спишь, пиздюк.
я знаю, ты не спишь, пиздюк. Пиздюк is a curse word that means little boy or little dude. Пиздюк is like a diminutive of a guy. But of course, we call young, I guess, like maybe kids from, I don't know, like 2 to 14 пиздюк because they're small and they're little. And пиздюк is gonna be like that. It's a bit more of a like diminutive name to call someone. If you have a friend who you're close with, next time you talk to them, call them пиздюк and wait for their reaction. Я знаю, ты не спишь, пиздюк. I know you're not asleep, you little boy. Like that. But of course in a curse word variation.
Я вижу это по твоим дергающимся глазам.
Я вижу это по твоим дергающимся глазам. I see this in your twitching eyes. You're not asleep.
Тебе завтра вставать в школу.
You have to wake up tomorrow for school.
А ты до сих пор не спишь.
And you're still not sleeping. До сих пор still. Great phrase to add to your vocabulary too. До сих пор. Until this time. But of course, in English we simply say still. And you're still not asleep.
Более того,
Moreover,
ты так и не съел суп,
you still hasn't finished the soup. Так и не съел, still not eaten. Так и means against still.
который я тебе приготовила.
That I cooked for you.
И не сходил в душ.
And didn't go to shower, okay? And didn't take a shower right here. И не сходил в душ, didn't go to the shower.
А теперь лежишь.
А теперь лежишь. And now you're laying here. Теперь also means now, just like сейчас. Теперь is like a bit more of a change of situation, okay? Теперь лежишь, and now you're laying here,
Голодный,
hungry,
вонючий
stinky,
и напуганный.
и напуканный. So, the stem of this puk means a fart. So, a room can be напуканная комната, like a stinky with farts room. But she's calling him stinky with farts, okay? Напуканный.
С полной уверенностью в том, что сможешь меня обмануть.
With a full confidence that you can deceive me. Обмануть means to deceive, that you'll be able to deceive me.
Но я чувствую твой страх.
But I feel your fear. Я чувствую means I feel. Твой страх, your fear.
Как ты дрожишь.
How you're shivering. Как ты дрожишь. I feel how you're shivering.
И в следующий раз,
And next time,
когда ты захочешь меня наебать,
when you will want to, I guess, deceive me, but наебать here means to deceive in a curse word variation. So when you're gonna wanna fucking lie to me or fucking deceive me like that.
для начала хотя бы заблокируй телефон.
Для начала here means at first or for starters. Хотя бы means at least. And заблокируй телефон, lock your phone. Okay? As you can see, this phone is not locked.
Но
But
я все равно заставлю тебя спать.
I'll still make you sleep. Все равно, regardless or still. Все равно заставлю, I'll make you, I'll force you. And then of course, this happens.
Я заставлю тебя
I'll make you sleep.
Спокойной ночи, сынок.
Good night, son. Okay, and that is all that Yanchik is gonna give us today. If you guys want to watch more of his stuff, right here is his username for TikTok and I think Instagram as well, so check him out. A lot of good fun. And guys, if you want to learn more Russian, click this button right here and join our camps. You will learn more information about the camps there. And if you want to watch more videos of our YouTube channel, click on this video right here. See you all next time.